Yo, ladies and gents, boys and girls, you know who it is, enjoy by different versions. And the best of my on the mainland level, but time. At check 19th of April 2025, Slabako Sports Complex, Apeteg. We are here to give you insights that you never knew you needed, that you never knew you wanted. Remember the check way is always, so stay tuned as we do interviews Nabandu. Let's get the show rolling, let's get it going. So. Yo, beningqala nathi silapha kwaMoko and ndihle nabana
Babalwa mketile.
ndihle nabana
Pets Castro.
Okay, ndinombuzo emibini ndikhafu nina. Ndicela ukubuza ukuba what's your biggest highlight about Moko?
Getting to know each and every rugby that is involved, every team elapha Eastern Cape.
Okay.
Mna kum like ndithanda like into eyi-one like uyaphuhlisa man like i-rural areas which is ke usayingqanya la we uyabo yeah.
So okay, umbuzo nje ngoku bendibone kwi-poster ukuba i-headliner yethu isanamuthela kaso. So ndicela ukubuza uba what's your favorite song kaThela?
Khuluma nam.
Khuluma namdi.
Khuluma namdi. Lale.
Ba-ready for more, ba-ready. So now if ukhona iza kwaMoko kumnandi apha. Dango usavula. Okay guys, philisa lapha. And andikhona ndedwa uba sithethe notata ubani.
Mr. Mngololo from Ikanda location, one of the villages around Middle Drift.
Okay, sithetha notata apha. Sicela usinike nje i-insights zakho uba ufisha njani about Moko, about the development since i-4th annual tournament.
Ngumsebenzi omhle kakhulu ubezwa ngoba ugatyeni apha for abantwana bethu. I'm fortunate enough ke mna ke uba ndibe ngomnye wabantu abakwazi ukuthetha naye face to face almost on daily basis about the development of sport. Nathi siyile sub-union yalapha kusithiwa iMitru, sikhala kuye le facility le ilapha yonke siyisebenzisa free of charge, and yet naye uyasiququzelela uba masikhulise abantwana ngezemidlalo and uyasikhuthaza kangangoba uba like nezinto zokudlala uyasicelela kubantu akwazi ukusebenzisana nabo. Sixhomekeke kuye nathi singuMitru si-adopthwe nguye singabantwana bakhe nathi.
Okay, so ungathini kumntana since ndikuva uthetha ngemidlalo about isport, ungathini kumntana onomnqweno ukujoyina into yesport?
Isport ngoku siso sinamathuba amaninzi like ii-chances zisebantwaneni mabenze kangangoko bakwaziyo ukuba badlale isport. Through isport nam one of the fortunate people abakhe bazibona bemuva from Eastern Cape to Mpumalanga, from Mpumalanga to Northwest. Now I'm back home, so uyanikeza amathuba kakhulu. Akho nibhetele nami ngayo except uba ndibendihamba ngesport all along benditravelisha, but ndiphinde ndabuya ekhaya ngoku singabantu abajonga usebenzana noMr Moko uplower back to communities zethu uba siphinde olu lwazi silufumane ngaphandle sikwazi sishirishe nabantwana abalapha kwicala.
Okay, ngusakuthetha. Yo, I'm here with
Sia.
Okay, ndinosiya. So Sia, i-experience yakho noMoko injani so far?
All I can say is that kumnandi balapha.
Yeah.
Kumnandi, but it's nice to be here.
Kumnandi balapha.
Very nice.
So ndibona Mr. Thela ukhona. What's your favorite song about Mr. Thela?
Thela ithini? Kwandonga ziyaduma. I don't know how to
Niyaziva kwandonga ziyaduma. So silapha kwaMoko, we keeping it real, we keeping it 100. Yo, masidume. Dango. Okay, here with
Akhona Mgijima from Fort United Rugby Club.
Okay, ndilapha nobhuti. So far i-experience yakho with uMoko and how are i-games namhlanje bezidlala okanye izolo zinjani so far?
So far it's been good. I think this is 4th year now, and I've attended Zonge's tournament the past 4 years. This tournament umgangatho wayo uphezulu uxhomile kakhulu. There's a lot of improvement nje generally about yonke into eyenzekayo kwaMoko, much more organized. Nangoku the team asekho ninzi kakhulu zimbalwa ngoku. There are 2 streams which is beautiful, where you see team ezinkulu competing against each other. Then ezantsi there's the group B, which is the smaller teams or the community teams. So loo nto leyo yenze kwabhalansa nemidlalo ayimininzanga kakhulu. So kumnandi man. I think i-rugby is a winner. Ezinye team may be out today, got i-rugby definitely a winner.
Okay. So since you mentioned into about you've been here like for the past annuals, so in the umbuzo olandelayo is that what's your biggest highlight about this tournament?
Well, about this tournament, a lot of players, I know in the past, a lot of players have been selected here, good border. There was a player that was a player of the tournament in that previous, not last year, it must have been 2022, Mbiko. Currently Mbiko is a professional, he was seen here. Secondly, last year there was also a player, Oyisa, that was taken from here to Iporta. So now those players are much are professionals. So yakuxelela loo nto leyo that this tournament is actually available for abantu to showcase their talent and actually bakwazi uselectwa and get recruited.
Enkosi Tam, ingaba zikhona i-social media platforms abantu ongathanda bakufumane kuzo?
Social media platform available ku Facebook. It's Lungisa Akons Mgijima. Yeah, on Twitter, which is X, yeah, Akons #2. Yeah, I'm available there. But follow the club, Fort Beaufort United, bawinile namhlanje, top of their group. Last year they didn't do well, so this year we're hoping to take it so that se represent el Kala. Amaqunukho ebubheka ngapha. So yona nto ibalekile le.
Enkosi kakhulu bhuti.
Thank you.
Hey yo, I'm here with
Yololwethu Hochasi.
Okay, we are here with Mr. Hochasi. Kakuhle nani Brian, kunjani meko so far? Experience njani so far?
Kumnandi kakhulu. Uyababona abantu ngapha kuyilonto kumnandi nangaphakathi entendeni ziyabuya sibukele nerugby yonke into ibimnandi imthebelele.
Okay, so i-favorite song yakho kaTaylor ngephi?
Cross night all the way.
Hayi ke nava namhlanje sa cross night all the way. Okay, tango. Yo, ndihle no Alu apha. Alu, how do you feel about rugby?
Nice.
You like rugby?
Yeah.
Which team would you want to play for?
Rugby.
Yeah. Okay, this is Alu. Alu is here. We are attending rugby. Let me show them your t-shirt. Spider-Man. Just say Moko.
Moko.
Yeah. Thank you. High five.
Yeah, nigga, we outside, siphumile. No one is drunk alive, song as